Welcome to this session. Let's solve the last question in the cut. So the question is to express the following as a sum or a difference. So we have sine 40 degrees, cos 30 degrees, cos 110 degrees, and sine of 55 degrees. So solution. We remember that sine of A plus B is sine of A cos of B plus cos of A sine of B, and sine A minus B is sine of A cos of B minus cos of A sine of B. Now, if we call this equation 1, this equation 2, then 1 plus 2 will give us sine A plus B plus sine A minus B is equals to, so this will be 0, so twice sine of A cos of B. So dividing through by 2, we have sine A cos B is equals to a half into sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. The first question is sine of 40 degrees and then cosine of 30 degrees. So this will be a half of sine, so A is 40, B is 30, A is 40, B is 30. So this will be sine of 40 degrees cos of 30 degrees is a half into sine of 70 degrees plus sine of 10 degrees. A part B. So if we say 2 minus 1, or 1 minus 2, we added equation 1 in the first case to 2, so let's get the difference. Equation 1 minus equation 2 gives sine A plus B minus sine A minus B is equals to, now subtracting this and this will cancel out, so that we remain with twice cos A sine B. So which tells us that making this a subject, cos of A sine of B is a half into sine of A plus B minus sine A minus B. And so our problem is cosine of 110 degrees, sine of 55 degrees will be a half sine of 110 degrees plus 55 degrees minus sine of 110 degrees minus 55 degrees. And this will give us a half sine of 110 plus 55, 165, minus sine of 55 degrees. So that's how we solve that last problem. Thank you.